morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be out there in the World Wide Web. It's Clarkson Commercials here in Glasgow, Scotland once again. And this time around for you we've got a 2010. It's the Citroen Dispatch. It's the L1H1 model, which means length 1, height 1, so it's a standard size van. 2010, this one has got the preferred 2-litre engine with the 120 horsepower and the 6-speed gearbox. That is the preferred engine out of the range. This van has been with Weir Pumps in Glasgow from new. Weir Pumps are a very old, well-established company in Glasgow. You may know the name, but they're a very well regarded business, and it's been with Weir Pumps from new. It's got a full service history, twin side doors with it as well. And I'll work my way around the van, show you all that I can, and hopefully you go away feeling a bit more about the van in question. Everything we sell is very carefully selected by myself. I do all the buying for the company, ironically enough, and everything thereafter is checked through our workshop very carefully. To further back that up, we buy vehicles, and before we buy them, some of them that we get with an independent AA inspection report before we get them, and we have got the independent AA inspection report for that vehicle here. So they are very carefully checked. We do not buy commercial vehicles on a whim. Everything is carefully assessed, carefully judged, etc. Here is the aforementioned AA report, and it runs through all aspects of the vehicle, right down to electrical operation, first gear test drive, clutch take-up, suspension, brake wear indicator, and you'll see everything down is green. Now, this is an independent AA inspection done before we buy the vehicle, as part of the fleet defleet policy of the previous owner. This is how they choose to do it, which is great, because we ask for proof of this before we buy the van, and we carefully go through this, and we start making our decisions based on what this report says. Tyres are all at 6 and 7 mils, so there's plenty tread in the tyres. That is there for you when you buy the vehicle. That will go with the vehicle. MOT until February of 2013. It also comes with a service print as well, showing you each and every individual mechanical task ever carried out in the vehicle. Every time a technician or a garage has laid hands on it, it tells you who did it, when it was done, the mileage was done, and exactly what was done. And that is a very good crystal ball into the van's past. So that is a fabulous selling tool for us, and selling vehicles for us, it's all about transparency, and I don't think you can ask for much more transparency than that. 2-litre HDI, as I said, it's got the 6-speed gearbox. The rest of it's fairly conventional: CD radio, air control, ventilation controls. A big important factor with these Citroen vans is it's got the double passenger seats, so it's a fully fledged 3-seater van, and that's where these vans win big time, because you can carry 3 people up front as well as a driver. So there we go, just about finished. As per company policy, I'll just say the usual line I do in all the vehicles: everything that we sell is second hand. Everything we sell has had a first life before it comes to us, and it may have marks and imperfections commensurate with age, mileage and use. These are second-hand vans after all. But rest assured, 36 years we've been here now, we take great pride in what we do, we enjoy what we do, and we certainly wouldn't go to the length and trouble of doing these time-consuming videos if we didn't believe we were selling the best of what's out there. So my name's Barry, thanks for watching, thanks for your time, and I hope to speak to you soon.